to Miss Just channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can style your white shirt in 4 different ways. Okay, that's it. Okay, 4 different ways. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first look is to pair it up your white shirt with a long skirt. So white color shirt goes very well with a blue color long skirt. It gives you a very traditional yet modern look. So what you need to do is roll up the sleeves, lift up the shirt to your waist, crossing it like a knot, and then tuck it in the inside. Do not forget the back door. And to complete the look, top it up with a bracelet, apply shitloads of mascara, apply some lip topper to give a shine lips. And lastly, I am wearing a baby pink sandal. You can wear any shoes or sandal you like. And there you go, a beautiful yet sleek dress ready. I love doing these modern yet traditional kind of looks. I don't know how to explain it, but it gives you a very happy feeling in the inside. Yeah, if that makes any sense. So let's move on to the second look. Second look is very common, I feel, and that is pairing up your white shirt with a blue jeans. But what I do is I take the half part of the shirt and tuck it in the inside of the jeans. This gives you a very gundi or a mafia kind of a look. Wear any kind of sandals or shoes or even boots that you like. Top it up with a silver watch. And about the makeup, I'm giving myself a cat eye look using the brown shades from the Physicians Formula eyeshadow palette. And it goes very well with red lips. That's it. Your style number 2 is ready. So common yet so different. The third look that I'm going to show you is something that I feel very classy yet very sexy. So it's pairing your white shirt with a black skirt. You can do whatever hairstyle you like. I'm doing this one because I like it and I do this very often. To give this look a sexy or party kind of look, apply some sparkling kajal, smoke it out very softly. Apply a cherry color or dark color lipstick that you like. Make sure you dab it to give it a very light color look. Wear some simple jewelry. I have this तो मैंने यही पहन लिया. And for the shoes, I'm wearing boots. Yeah, I like wearing boots. That's it. Final result. Seems very common, but the skirt that I'm using, I don't know what skirt to call it. Actually, my dad brought it a few years back, around 4 to 5 years back from Sri Lanka. But if I found something similar to this type of skirt, then I'm going to give the link in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. So by far this look is my most favorite look. I love this skirt. It's such a unique and gives me a very party kind of vibe. Yeah. The fourth and final, okay, I'm giving you again 8. Okay, the fourth and final look of this video is pairing your white shirt with a sari as a blouse. I don't know why I chose this sari. It made me look kind of like a fluffy, but you get the idea, right? Basically, all you need to do is lift up the shirt a little, cross it like a knot, and tuck it in the inside. पीछे का कभी मत भूलना. Take your sari, जो साड़ी का पल्लू होता है, जब आप पेज को बनाएंगे तो उनको थोड़ा स्लिम करके बनाइएगा. Keep a little loose at your waist area. I mean, clip until there is some fabric is hanging off. And when you place it over your shoulder, जो आपका वेस्ट एरिया है, it gives you a very slim effect. So to match up with my sari, I'm applying a blue eyeliner from Lakme, giving it a slight wing. And then for the lips, I'm applying some nude pinkish lipstick. And you can wear any kind of jewelry you want with any kind of hairstyle that you like to do. I'm keeping it very simple. Also, the fourth look that I did, it kind of made me look some kind of neta going to some kind of assembly or something. Yeah, I feel that way. So yeah, that was it, and that was the 4 looks that I showed you. I hope you like it. If you have liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hitting the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos whenever I upload. I'm trying to upload frequently though, just reminding you. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.